Hello traders, we are back with a quick setup. Here we have on the chart, it is AUDUSD, and before we talk about it, let's check the date and the time quickly. So refresh, and currently it is 2:17 a.m. Tuesday 19th of May 2026 in EST. Coming back to the chart, AUDUSD, we are on the 4-hour time frame, and it's a very small trade of maybe 8 or 10 pips. Okay, so we can short at the current price around 7130, and will exit at this low around 7120. Okay, so maybe 8 or 10 pips in this one only, not much right now. It might go down, we never know, but we'll exit at this low right here. Okay, so we have just 8 or 10 pips in this. Once the price hits black line, I will come back and record the TP video. Till then, see you again. Alright guys, we're back here with the take profit, and let's check the date and the time right now first. So it is currently 4:18 a.m. Tuesday 19th of May 2026 in EST, and you can check the date and the time in the beginning of the video too. It hardly took maybe 2-3 hours, I guess, to get 9 pips. We made 9 pips in this trade. Okay, not much, not less, but this might go down. This might further go down, but as I said, we have to stick to our basics. Our basics were to exit at the previous low. Okay, so you could see the price did touch my black line. Okay, and the trade executed at 7,119.0 exactly, and that's all about AUDUSD. So little small trade, but it wasn't about how many pips. It was about the timing and being right. Okay, maybe you don't understand what I'm saying, but I knew that's going to happen, and that is why I took the trade. I did not take the trade because I had to make 50 pips in that or 100 pips in that. I took this trade on purpose, deliberately, for only 9 pips because I knew this is going to happen. Okay, when you know this is going to happen, you take even 2 pips, because profit is profit. Okay, until unless you don't know, you don't do anything. All right, I told you right here, we're gonna go until this low, which we did. For now, we might even go further down. Okay, but nobody cares now. So I'm out with 9 pips. Not much, but it's free money, and more trades are lined up. Okay, I'll not show you right now. I'll upload the videos later on. More trades are still running in my account while we talk. Let them finish, then I will upload them. If you want these setups before they actually happen, because when you're watching the video, the move is already gone. Okay, so you can either go and check out the first link below this video, join the program, and get the live trades before they happen. I will tell you exactly when to enter, when to exit. If not, then just keep watching me making this kind of money. What can I say? Help yourself, otherwise I can't help you. So you have to help yourself first. Okay, till then, see you again.